Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for options. First, you need to enable options trading within your account settings. Navigate to the menu, then Trading Access to apply. Make sure your account meets the minimum requirements, often around $2,000 for margin accounts, to unlock full options capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the various options trading levels Webull offers, as these determine the types of strategies you can execute. Once options trading is enabled, select a stock and tap the Options tab to view its chain. You can filter the chain by expiration date, choosing contracts that expire in a few days or several months out. This helps you find the right time frame for your strategy. Carefully examine the strike prices and premium values for both call and put options to identify potential trades. To place a trade, simply tap on the specific option contract you wish to trade. This will open the order entry screen where you can select your desired order type, like a limit order for precise entry. Input the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Always review the total estimated cost or credit, along with any associated fees, before you confirm your order. Webull offers advanced tools like an options strategy builder, which is incredibly useful for setting up complex multi-leg trades such as spreads or iron condors. Keep a close eye on your open options positions and their real-time profit and loss directly within your portfolio section. This helps you manage risk and make timely adjustments. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Always continue learning and refining your options trading approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.